Hello dear students. Now we will discuss firstly the syllabus which is revised and some syllabus which is deleted by the CBSE. Okay. These changes are being done by due to this pandemic. Okay. The COVID-19 is going on and the students are unable to come to school. That is why these chapters are being, some are reduced and some are just changes are there. Okay. So firstly we are going about the blueprint. Okay, blueprint, as you know, it will be of 80 marks. Okay, so unit number, there will be 3 units completely which will be including your final exams. I am saying 80 marks, 3 units are there, and in these 3, first unit will be matter, its nature and behavior. Okay, 3 units will be there. And remember one thing, we will discuss here the portion which will include. Okay, the portion which is being deleted, I will send one PDF to you. You may check there which is being deleted from the syllabus. Okay, and let me tell you about biology. In biology, 6 chapters are there. One though we are just about to complete, that is cell chapter, fundamental unit of life. That is about to over. Okay, and second chapter is tissues. We will do after this cell chapter. The chapters which are deleted, that is the diversity in the living organisms. हमारे बायोलॉजी में जितने चैप्टर्स थे, 2 are completely deleted. One is diversity in living organisms and the another one is the improvement in food resources. These 2 chapters are completely just deleted from the syllabus. These are no need to do now. And one more chapter is there now, that is natural resources, in which cycles are there. Okay, biogeochemical cycles are there, air pollution, water pollution, soil formation, these things are there, or these things we will do in the project form. These chapter also we will not do because it is being deleted by the CBSE, but this chapter is being given for the project form. Okay, 2 chapters completely delete, although natural resource delete हो चुका है, but it is to be given in the project form में देना है. So now there are 3 chapters of biology with us. We are discussing about biology first. Biology का है first chapter, that is 5th chapter, the fundamental unit of life, which we are already doing, that is about to over. Tissue chapter is there. Okay, these 2 chapters and one more, that is why do we fall ill. These 3 chapters are to be done in the biology. Okay, 3 chapters करने हैं biology में, and 2 chapters, that is diversity in the living organisms, diversity in the living organisms, and one more, improvement in food resources, improvement in food resources. There is no need to do these chapters because these are being deleted by CBSE. And one chapter, that is natural resources. The chapter name is natural resources. Although it is also deleted, but it is to be given, ये हमें करना नहीं है, but it is to be given to the students in the project form. Okay, जो कि आप प्रोजेक्ट की फॉर्म में करेंगे. Clear? So it is about biology. Now we are discussing about the blueprint. 3 units will be there, and as you know, exam will be of 80 marks. Okay, matter, its nature and behavior, it is for chemistry. In chemistry we will see units wise, that is unit 1 is matter, its nature and behavior. We will do this also, what is included in this thing, इसमें include क्या है, that will be of 27 marks. Organization in the living world, ये है biology, it will be of 26 marks. And it is for the chemistry, it is for the biology, it is for the physics. Okay, in physics, motion, force and work. Don't worry, I will send की portion delete कौन सा हुआ है. Okay, and we will discuss here which is being we have to do. Physics also will be of 27 marks. Clear to all? Total is 80. Internal assessment, it will be of 20 marks and grand total will be of 100. As we know, we are doing assessment of 20 marks, internal assessment. Okay. Now, 3 sections in the exam will be there. 3 sections. Section A, B, C. These sections will be of 30 questions. 30 questions total will be of 3 hours. Okay. If we will discuss about section wise, section A, B, C. 3 sections will be there. Okay. 1 to 14 question. Question number 1 to 14. It include MCQ, very short answers and reasoning assessment question. I think you are familiar with now reasoning assessment, which we have done in pre-midterm exams also. These are to be answered in one word or in one sentence. MCQs, VS, very short answers or reasoning assertion. Section B, 15 to 24 questions, 3 marks, 10 questions will be there, 3 marks question. Okay. Section C consists of 6 questions, numbering is 25 to 30 and these are of 5 marks. Clear? So it is a complete pattern for the 80 marks. Now we will discuss this also, which is being included in these things. Okay. So please watch it carefully everyone. Okay.